Hello, hello, hello. Well, I understand that this probably won't be very interesting, but I decided that almost whatever I do on my PC, I will stream it. Today I'm not playing anything, but this stream is also related to games. Recently, as you probably know by watching my videos, I'm running a Project Zomboid server. And of course, I wanted to have mods on the server. But actually, it's well, maybe not a nightmare, but it's difficult and annoying to manage all the mods and keep them in correct load order. Basically, they are stored in text file and INI. And forgive me if I use the term ini, because that's how I would say this in Polish, and it's much easier than saying INI. I will try to use INI, but no promises. Okay, so I decided that I need a tool. Maybe there is one already, but I don't know anything about that. I decided to make a tool that will help me to manage mods and keep them in order. That's why I started the PC server config file builder. Name is a subject to change. So basically, I have this table, this spreadsheet, and I can enter here workshop ID for a mod. I can enter is workshop ID actually, yes, it's a number. So yeah, this is a number. I can enter here the project ID and here the mod ID. I can do it manually. Like, for example, let me add a new line over here. And for example, I found a mod that I would like to install on my server. So let's say I want to install this one, Honda Civic. So to install a mod, you have to get on the server, you have to input this in config file. So you need workshop ID. Let's copy that, place it here, and you will need this thing here, a mod ID. Wrong. Okay, I need to work on using the Ctrl Z to undo the changes, but that's not that important. And of course, I have the table and I can create the line for the config file over here just by clicking on this button, create mod lists, and it makes sure that everything matches and is in the same order, because both entries like workshop items and mods have to be in same order. So for example, well, in this example, that Honda Civic is a third mod that will be loaded when the server starts. and its number is, well, the ending is 715, and yes, that's the first, that's the second mod, and that's the third. Same goes for mods entry in INI file. It's the same as this one, it's a third. And I found it that we have an issue in our server for some reason. The one mod is missing. Well, there is a number for it, but there's no mod ID. So I will investigate this later, but first I need to make sure that I have a tool for that will make things easier. So actually, I have what I have now. Okay, I cannot load config file yet, but that's kind of easy. I can get the mods, the both lines from a config file that is here. Here's the config file for server that we have, and I can paste the config file. So let me, actually no, there's no need. Okay, if I get the mods from the config, my entry was erased because it's not in the config file yet. But what I will be working now, I want the easy way to get this. For example, I'm looking for a mod, browsing. Oh, that Honda Civic looks great. It would be a great addition for the server. So now I need to copy that number, copy that, go to my config ini file, psd server ini, find the proper line for it, paste this. Oh, this is not going here. Where's the, I think it's somewhere higher. There's no search. Oh yeah. No, it's not here. So where are the numbers? Come on. Oh, there they are. I need to find the line workshop items, paste it here, then go back, copy this one, and what? And find that the other thing. Well, never mind. I also need to paste it there. And the same thing goes for any other mod. So it's a little bit annoying. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add a memo here. Sneaky Pete, hello. Yeah, if you were counting on Project Zomboid gameplay stream, sorry, I'm making a tool because I have trouble with installing mods on the server and keeping the proper load order for them. So I'm writing a tool for that. It should make my life easier. So what I'm doing now, I'm doing a fast way to copy all that at the same time, extract proper values that I need and enter them into a config file. So let me name this button somehow. And by the way, this music, I've never seen this part of PZ. Yes, actually I'm a noob in that, so it's all new to me too. So, but I know how to handle INI files. So yeah, and I like, and I am lazy. That's why I'm making a tool that will automate the process. Okay, let me name is get mod from Steam. Maybe, why not? So this will be boring. I want to get the text from here. So what do I need to do? I need to iterate through the lines of this text field. From line 0, go to memo 2 lines, count, -1, 2, begin. Yeah, kind of like behind the scenes. Okay. So, how do I do that? Okay, so if the line memo 2 line currently iterated line starts with, how do I do that? I need a command ANSI start. Okay. Let me copy that. So if the line starts with the text, what's the text? I need this, and okay. Let me go back. Where's my Lazarus? So if the line starts with this, then begin doing something. To do get workshop ID. And if it starts with mod ID, then do something else. Get mod ID. So if it finds the workshop ID text in a line, I need to add new entry to the table, to the spreadsheet. So to do that, I need to get okay. Actually, this is not a mod. Let me show you. Okay, this won't work. The hell? Let me show you. So basically, the config file looks like that. It's a set of values. You have the name of the value, and there's value itself. And same goes for the mod lists. Like here, there's I don't know if you can see that. And I don't think I can zoom this in, but basically it says mods equals, and after equals equal sign you have the Name of the mods? Going in order. Dunstan, hello! Welcome to the stream. The boring one, but I have to do it because I have some issues with the server. So I need a tool to help me. Okay, anyway, so here are the mods in order, and also there is other line. Can't find it. With the IDs, with the numbers, and numbers correspond to the name of the mod, and they both have to be in the same order. So let me just show you. Basically, it makes a list. So the mod Better Sword CC has a workshop ID number, blah blah blah, yeah, and so on and so on and so on, and they have to be in order, same order. And sometimes it's really hard. No, it's not broke already. It's just hard to maintain, to manage. So I'm making a tool that I can add a mod, add a name for it, and create these two lines, workshop items and mods entry, and they will be in proper order. In that way it will make my life easier, because I won't have to think about if I pasted the mod in the right spot. And of course I can move them in the order I want. I can change it. And when I get the list, all I have to do is to copy both lines and just replace the existing ones. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And now, since I don't want to copy everything one by one, I'm writing a function that will allow me to copy this as a whole for the mod. I will paste it here, and the program will add new line, new entry, I don't know, maybe at the top, and we'll paste it here, so I don't have to copy that each of these things individually. Okay, oh, I'm talking too much. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. So first, let's add. Oh, okay, this won't work. And I'm thinking, maybe should I make it like that so I can paste multiple items? Maybe I should do that so I can focus on getting the mods here, and just by a press of one button I will iterate through this list, and this will add new mods here. Yay! Yeah, that's what I will do. Yes, I think. So. Okay, I think Mike is spamming me. Okay, that's all right. I'm hurting your brain. I'm an amateur. I have slight idea how to program stuff. So yeah. Okay. How do I do that? Yeah, that's why I know this is not interesting, but it will. I hope it will make life easier for me and others. So yeah, this program will be free, so everybody will be able to use it. Okay, so how do I do that? How do I iterate? So, I need to get two lines at the same time. The first and the second one. They are pairs. So if the line starts with workshop ID, then first of all, let's add a new line in spreadsheet over here. String read 1. Insert call row. Oh, actually I can add the values already. Index 0, no, 1. And the value, array of strings. Array, okay. So first would be workshop item, and the second will be mod ID, let's say. Okay. And mod ID is the variable, and it's a string text basically. Same for, and I need to empty it. Workshop item is also string, so I need to declare two variables. There we go. And now so okay, this will come in handy a bit later. So if the workshop ID is the beginning of the line, currently iterated line, then I need to make workshop item equal to memo2. Memo2 is the name of this component, this text box. Lines currently iterated line. But what I need to do, I need to copy just the number from this line, from position not 0. How many characters are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I need to start from the 14th character and go all the way up to the end. There we go. So this thing here should extract just this number from this line, I hope, and I guess we will see in a moment. And if can copy that. If line starts with mod ID, is that right? Mod ID, yes. If it starts with mod ID, then I need to set the mod ID variable to that line, but starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So will it be 9? And after that, string grid 1 insert. Okay, something is wrong. Insert row with values, row 1, and the values will be workshop. I deleted the line workshop item, and oh, this has to be mod ID. This has to be array. So let's see if that works. Hello B, hello. I can only write CNC machine programs, and that's great. So that's programming. You have to know how to program the stuff. So let's check if this works. I'm going to copy that. Let's say, paste it here, and let's check if that works for the one entry. When I hit this button, it should add new line here at the beginning and place this number in the first column, or maybe it will paste it here, but that's will be okay. That's actually okay, and this thing should be placed here. So yeah, let's see. Yes, why it made it twice? That I don't know, but it doesn't matter. Okay, for some reason it's adding this twice, and I need to how do I do that? Let's try it again. Okay, so it adds the item properly. Almost, but it also adds it again. So maybe I need to do it here outside of the loop. Okay, I need to copy that again. There we go. It works. Yay! Now let's see if we can add different mods. So what mods for Project Zomboid do you like? What are the best? Okay, let's copy that. delete. Well, actually, let's get mod from the config. Let's add that. Now let's see some other mod. This looks promising. I bet it's great. There we go. Okay, this won't work. I need to change one thing. But actually, let's see. Yeah, it doesn't work because it's breaking the lines and I need to stop that. The line has to go all the way. So I need to change the settings for that. Word wrap. No word wrapping. I'm smoking ops in Honda Civic. No idea what you said. Okay, some other mod then. Pontiac. I'm adding cars. But that's alright. Add another mod. Now let's add, I don't know. Map mod. Why not? Well, map mods are a little bit different, but I will deal with them a little in other programming session. Okay, I'm copying this, and I know that map mods need to go first. So actually, I can do that already right now. Maybe some other shelter looks great. Yeah. By the way, I'm picking. Okay. Now this is interesting. What happens if there are different? More than one mode idea. It happens sometime. I think. That's weird. So will it rearrange it for you in the right order? Well, actually, it won't rearrange this in by itself because let's say this is some additional thing. Because the program don't know what mod does or what is it for, so I can do it myself. This tool makes it just makes it easier. Okay, why it's not working? Okay, interesting. Damn it. Let me try that again. Oh, I know. It won't work for multiple mods. It will work for one. Yeah. It will work for one because but actually it should work. Maybe now. And again, I have to copy that. It's tedious now, but it will be useful later. Let's try with 2. 2 is good for testing. It should add 2. First would be shelter and the second, well, the first will be this one. Okay, never mind. Let's try that. Okay, kind of works, but it's doing this 2 times, and I don't want that. So to prevent that, let's say I will, after adding one mod, I will reset the values for them for both variables, and I will add the new line only if these two are not empty. If mod ID is it like that? If not, mod ID equals null, and workshop item, and not, actually I need to negate that. If it's not equal to empty string, then do that, and hopefully this will work. Again, copy some other mod, indie stone, whatever. Oh, this is a map. Okay, it doesn't work. It's not working. Why? Did I mention that I have problems with logical thinking? Oh, shit. Okay, let's see if that works for one. Because I'm messing things up. Okay, it's not working now. Why? I need a rubber duck. I need a rubber duck to talk to. That helps solving programming problems. That's what people say. So this is wrong. Okay, actually maybe if it's different. Too many. Because this should work. But it's not. Okay, so maybe if this is not and this is not equal, have you copied the right thing? I don't know. Probably not. Okay, so what it does. First, it checks if the line in here starts with the phrase workshop ID, and if it does, then it adds the value to workshop item variable. That's okay. Then it sets the value the same way the value for mod ID is set. And then I'm checking if mod ID is not empty, and at the same time if the workshop item is not empty, and only then I'm adding the value, both values, into the spreadsheet. And after that I'm setting this to empty. It doesn't make sense. Yeah, this is wrong. Probably this is wrong. This line, this condition. If it's not empty, that's how it equals. That's how you compare two values. And after that, it sets them both to 0. Maybe I shouldn't. Let's comment this out. At least it should add 1. Yes, it adds 1. But what if there are 2? Okay. So the resetting values was causing issues. Let's add the second one. Oh shit. There we go. Maybe I should make it default value. Get from the mods and try it again. Okay, so it adds the second. There is much easier way of doing this. Tell me. I'm not trying to add anything. I'm trying to make a tool so it makes my life easier. It's not like I'm trying to add specific mod to a config. I'm writing a tool so I can manage the order. Okay, why this is not working? Actually, then begin. Add a line. Add both and then reset, and only then. There we go. There we go, it works. Yeah, I'm copying just data that I can work on. I need to parse this text box here. I need to get values for a specific mod. So for example, let's say I want to install that Honda Civic. So I'm going to Steam, copying both values, adding them here, but I also want to add 2 different mods. like Decoholic, whatever that is. So I'm going to add this one too. And I want to add Pontiac. So I'm copying its ID and workshop ID and mod ID, adding to a text box. I want to add a literature mod like this one. I'm copying that, adding that, and imagine I'm doing this for 200 mods, right? And I'm just by one click, I'm adding everything at once. And to set the proper load order, I'm just dragging this stuff to proper places. Fireworks one party, hello, welcome to the stream. You're trying, wow, autocorrect messed that comment upload. What the, what? So for example, what I found, now I copied the config file from my server. This is the config file from my server. See? And one mod is missing ID, and that's wrong. That's why RVs are not spawning on my map, because I know for a fact that this is a RV mod. No, well, it's not the RV mod. It's this one. So the order is messed up. Okay, let me check that again. I will show you in a moment how am I doing this. I just need to be sure that I'm not showing you passwords and stuff. Just give me a second. This has to go. This has to go. There's a lot of passwords for this game. It's not like I don't trust you guys. Okay, so here's the config file. So basically what I did previously was like this. I found a mod like here. I copied this number, the workshop ID. I went back to my text editor, worked for the search for the line workshop items, added the line, added the value of the mod. Then I went to for the name, got for the mod ID, go back or search for mods equals, place it here, copied it here, and all that for one mod. And I have to be sure that I'm adding both lines. This one with mods, okay. So for example, this value is this mod, this value is this mod, and sometimes they have to be in the same order. But some of the mods require to be loaded first, so I cannot just add them at the beginning or the end of the line. Just adding them at the end, it won't work. For example, Lake Ivy had to be before after Bedford Falls, and I added Bedford Falls first. So, well, it was, believe me, it was a nightmare. So that's why I'm making this this tool, so I can just add mods like that, arrange them, and it's easier to see when I have this side by side and I have the order number, and then I just press create mods lists, which are both of these, and I just copy and paste this into config file, or actually I will add a button that will change it for me and save the file so I can upload it on to the server. Oh my god, so much talking. Did I say hello to you, AK Gaming PL? Hello, Siemka, witam. Okay. So that's why I'm not playing Project Zomboid today, or actually I'm not playing any game. Because I found this bug and I don't know what to do with it, so I will have to go look through all the mods, find the place where there is a gap. And why is that? But I'm thinking that this gap happened because this mod, it's a car pack. It's this one. Let me find it really quick. This is RV interior mod, which I really want to, and I think this is the mod that's causing the problem. Yeah, its ID is like that. Is it the same? Yeah, that's the thing. So this mod is something else, and I don't know, so it's not corresponding to this thing here. Some of the values, I think, yes, like for example, this mod has, this workshop ID has 4 mod IDs. These are folders. These like kind of I don't know, some extra things that can be added. I don't know if they have to. I know this one is not needed. And maybe this gap caused the issue here, but still, this is 93 lore pack, so I think this is this one. What's the idea of that? Okay, it's twice here. Is this correct? No, it's not. So I think that this will have to go a few times here. As these things or the same mod basically. But that will cause issues, I think, because one mod will be multiple times added to the list. Oh, damn it. But actually I'm happy that automatic things, automatic adding works, so I can add this at the beginning. And they jumped before the first entry, which was Bedford Falls. Am I right? Yes, Bedford Falls is the first one. And that's how I found the issue with our config file. Let's see if Star Sleep has this number. Okay. Where are my... Okay, it's not this one. How can I check my... Oh, there it is. Can I search this? Oh my god, this will be a nightmare. So many mods and I need to find one. Maybe I will check another one. Error magnifier. Why not? Yeah, it's this one because I'm subscribed to it. Yes, great. So let's see. This is the number. And it's different. Yet this mod works. So is there a load list, like the RV mod has to be before the interior mod but after the other cars mod? Yeah, actually, if mods is not working, then it's probably the load order, because for example map mods, the extra custom maps, they have to be loaded first. It doesn't make sense, but they have to be loaded first. And the original map, the Muldrow KY, have to be loaded last, I think. But that's something else. So yeah, this RV interior MP have to be loaded first, and then this mod has the RV car itself, and it has to be loaded after that, so it can use what this thing adds to the game. Okay. Yeah, and I think that's why, because of this, that this mod is not loaded properly This is the mod. This number corresponds to this mod, which has the RV. That's why you won't. Well, you will find the RV on our map because I placed it there by hand, and that's not how it should work. Yet I'm thinking, what if mod like RV like this one. This is the one with the problems. This has multiple things. Because basically, to keep the things in order, you would have to have duos, pairs of workshop ID and mod ID, and then you can have order. Zipek, hello. Zipek, yes I did. It will be Fallout 3. I will play Fallout 3 on Mondays. Why so sad? Because I like this game, that's why. Okay. Okay, I'm glad that this is working. Let me set the value for this lines. Let it be empty. I don't need anything here. Okay. So how do I deal with that? Also, it can mean that there is a flaw in my program. In my logic. Is this the right thing? Or RV multiplayer? Oh, this one too have different things, so maybe, yeah, that's the same number, that's okay. Okay, so here where it goes wrong. Because RV interior MP have few things, like 2. So if I let me find this thingy. Okay, so the number is 26. So if I add this number again after that, then it has the same number. So I'm guessing this thing has a number 2. This is this one. Copy that. That's 492. Okay, so that's this one. So what? Why it goes like that? 2, then this. Okay, so let's find the mods. There it is. Lake Ivy, interior, MP, RV, interior, vanilla. Okay, because I'm missing this thing here. So this has to go, and these are for the RV car mod itself. So it has to go after that. Will this fix it? No. For some reason it didn't fix. This is okay. First the RV, vanilla, then this one. Let's go here again, check the numbers. That's probably okay, that's okay. That's okay. This is twice. I don't know why, but this is okay. Now I know why. $42, it's... So I need to switch places here. Let's see. 42. 42. Yes, okay. Jakie cheaty? Nie wiem, o czym mówisz. These are no cheats. I'm making tools. Okay, so actually this should work, kind of. I just need to check. Maybe I will ask on forums about that. If do you have to repeat the workshop ID if one mod has multiple mod IDs? Do you have to repeat that value in the thingy here? Okay, so the rest should now be okay, and let's check that. For example, better sort. Oh my god. Better sort. Better sorting. What's your number? 59. Okay, so it's not correct. So it's this one. Oh, I know now why. I know why. Because I'm not repeating this twice. Twice or 4 times. This has to go 4 times here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And okay, this is not correct because this was previously placed. But let's see, scrap weapons. Scrap weapons. That's the mod. Scrap mods. Yes, okay, so it works. Ogre heart. Let's look for that. Scent of blood. No, shit. Okay, so one another mod has 2 mod IDs, I guess. Because there's, yeah, this thing here is this one. So one of the above, one of these have 2 mod IDs. Yeah. So actually, I will need to change this button. For example, if that RV mod is good example. Not the RV. This one is a good example because it has 4. So when I copy this few times, I mean copy a mod that has 1 workshop ID and few mod IDs, and I paste it here, so this thing needs to be changed. Yeah, I have to change it so it checks if the next line, well, is not equal to mod ID. I mean the phrase, this phrase, because if it is, that means this mod ID belongs to the last workshop ID. If you follow me. Oh my god, I know it's horrible. Yeah, but I think that's something for another programming session, because I'm getting tired. I've managed to add to fix this, adding multiple mods, at least the ones containing one mod ID. So that's good. That's another feature that's useful. Yes, it is. It is very tiring. But when you fix a bug, when you find a bug and fix it, that's such a great feeling. Amazing. Yeah, actually, like people Some people want to make a game, right? And they think, well, I know that programming is hard, but let's start. So let me start with a simple game, like let's say like a platformer game, which is not the best game to start making games, because you have to think, you have to keep in mind, remember so many things, take into consideration, like what happens if player goes there, what happens if player does that, what will happen. You get more and more variables to check, and the number of variables is changing, is growing exponentially. It's really hard even for a simple game or even for a simple program. And of course there are typos and problems with logic. It's not that easy. Well, it's not that hard, but it's not that easy at the same time. When you learn one language, when you learn, well, actually no, not a language, when you learn the basics, like what is a variable, what is a function, when you learn it using one language, and when you understand that, it's way easier to switch to another language. Like for example, I don't know, Unity is using C#, and is it C#? Yeah, I think it's C#. And Unreal Engine is using C++. And when you know the basic, it's not that hard to switch between languages. But yeah, it's it can be hard sometimes. And remember, the program will do whatever you tell it to do. So if you make mistake, it will give you an error. That's how it works. For the most of times, you're the one to be blamed. Oh my god, okay. So actually I will need to check this, because on this website I found, where is it? I found a website from the server host service that says where is it? Come on. This. Important. Multiple mod IDs and mod names are entered separated by semicolons. You must also ensure that the order is maintained. So workshop items, mod 1, mod 2, mod 3, that's the number, and mod, is it? Yeah, workshop items is the number. So this is correct. But if you have workshop items in that order, 1, 2, 3, you cannot do it like that, like mod 1, mod 3, then mod 2. They have to go in the same order. But what if, that's what I don't know, what if the mod, the number, has multiple things here? Do you have to repeat that on the list like that? Like for example, this is the main mod and these are the additional for this, and they have same, I'm guessing that they have same workshop item number, but they have different mod IDs. Mod IDs are basically folders of the mod. So I don't know how it works. Hello Norm. Hello, welcome to the stream. I'm making a tool. It's not a game, sadly. I think oh, maybe you will know. Let me show you that again. So, what I found is that when you're installing mods on the server, there are two entries, two values that you two variables like workshop items, which is the number of the mod. It's where is it? It's this one, this thing here. So enter the numbers here, and you have to keep the same order in mods, which are the names. Where? Oh my god, wrong. Which are these names. So everything has to go in the same order. But what if one ID, workshop item, have multiple mod IDs? One entry here have multiple things here. Do I have to repeat that so many times? Or I don't get that. And I think this is causing the problems. On my server, this is why RVs are not spawning. Maybe you know someone who could answer me that question. Because I don't know. Maybe actually it says there. Find the line workshop. No, it doesn't say. KPK or Easy Peasy would be the ones I ask. Okay, I will try to do that. But I've heard the KPK is busy. Is a busy person. But I will try that. Well, maybe I will search the internet, the forums, or I don't know. Maybe I will ask on Steam. Here on the forums. Because this is causing issue for the mods. Because if that is true, that you have to keep them in the same order, then if mod their workshop ID might be the same, but the mod IDs are different. Yes. Actually, I guess both are needed, because the workshop ID, which is this thing, the number. Let me go back. Here you can find it. Okay, this is good example. Like for example, this Filibuster Rhymes Used Cars mod pack. It's basically cars. Has only one workshop ID, but has multiple mod IDs. Like here. And this caused the issue Well, I don't think so. If it would group them, I don't think, because the config file is INI file, and I don't think that's the case. It's just basically it's just the name of the variable and the value, no special characters. This is treated as text. This is just text. Well, the order was right. But this thing, the mods that have multiple mod IDs are causing a problem in keeping the order. It's when one mod has multiple of these mod IDs, the thing is being the whole line is being shifted. Everything is fine as long as the mod has one of these. Or maybe I only need these two, because these are additional. The NLF, these lore friendly names. Maybe it's the same as this one, but I don't know. Yes, I can wipe everything. Yes, I can do that. But don't worry, I won't wipe the main server. It will be as it is. It kind of works. For the most part. Actually, the only thing that doesn't work is this. It's not spawning RVs. Oh, so I don't know. Actually, this tool helped me to find this tool I wrote. Helped me to find the issue, I think. Not sure how to solve it. I mean, I can repeat. For example, this FR used cards mod has this thing. I don't know if I can enter this thing multiple times, like here, so it corresponds, the number corresponds to the name. No, actually I found it today, and I didn't ask about that. Okay, I will ask them first in that case. Thanks for the hint. Okay, Mike wrote something. How are you making out with that mod manager? I don't know what to do. So I think I will end the stream and play a little bit, because I haven't played any game today, which makes me sad. So thank you for being here. Actually, I'm surprised that 4 people are watching, 9 likes. Amazing. That's amazing a boring stream on about writing a tool, a program, which is not a game. So thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.